Sacred groves are areas of forests or natural vegetation which can range from a few trees to large forests covering several acres. These areas are usually dedicated to add local gods or tree spirits such as Ayyanar, Amman, or Vana Devatais. Local communities protect these spaces because of their religious beliefs and traditions passed down through generations. The level of respect for sacred groves can vary. In some groves, even dry leaves or fallen fruits are not touched as people believe disturbing the area will anger the local deity, leading to diseases, natural disasters, or crop failure. For example, the Garo and Khasi tribes in northeastern India strictly forbid any human activity in their sacred groves. In other groves, people may collect dead wood or dry leaves, but they never cut live trees or branches. For instance, the Gonds of central India do not cut trees but allow the use of fallen parts. Sacred groves in India can be grouped into three types. Traditional sacred groves, these are places where the village deity, god or goddess, lives, often represented by a simple symbol. Temple groves, these groves are created around temples and are protected. Groves near burial or cremation grounds, these are groves found around areas where people are buried or cremated. Ecological significance of sacred groves. Conservation of biodiversity. Sacred groves are important places where local communities have protected different types of plants and animals in a sustainable way. These groves often provide a safe place for species that are found only in that region. Recharge of aquifers. Sacred groves are often near ponds, streams, or springs, which help provide water for the local people. The plants in these groves also help refill underground water sources, aquifers. Soil conservation. The plants in sacred groves help keep the soil stable and prevent it from washing away. Distribution of sacred groves in India. In India, sacred groves are found throughout the country, with many located along the Western Ghats in Kerala and Karnataka. While there hasn't been a complete study on all the sacred groves in the country, around 13,270 of them have been recorded so far. Experts believe the real number could be between 1 lakh and 1,50,000. Threats to sacred groves. The threats to sacred groves vary depending on the region and even between individual groves. However, some common threats are loss of traditional belief systems. The belief systems and rituals that once protected sacred groves are now seen as mere superstition, leading to their decline. Urbanization and development. Sacred groves in many parts of the country have been destroyed by urban growth and construction projects like roads, railways, dams, and commercial forestry. This development has caused some of the largest groves to shrink due to encroachment. Sanskritization. In some areas, the original forms of nature worship have been replaced by formal temple worship, which affects the preservation of the groves. Invasion by foreign plants, exotic weeds like Eupatorium odoratum, Lantana camara, and Prosopis juliflora are spreading into groves and posing a serious threat to them. Increased livestock and fuel wood collection. The growing pressure from livestock and the need for firewood is also harming many sacred groves.